Exploring the realms of spirituality is not for the faint-hearted. It is a journey reserved for brave souls, those who demand and possess the audacity to traverse this path, facing their own shadows and all the adversities and limitations that life imposes. True spirituality unveils itself when one learns to embrace both darkness and light, unraveling the internal shadows within on this unique journey. It is not in moments of light that we find our enlightenment. It is in obscurity. It is in the depth of this darkness that true strength is discovered, where resilience and courage manifest. In this process of delving into internal shadows, the most authentic version of oneself is extracted, constructing one's own personality. Do not fear entering the dark. Embrace the darkness and confront your deepest shadows. Paradoxically, it is in the depths of darkness that the most resilient and strong souls are born. We don't hesitate to fully dedicate ourselves to present to you the exclusive, hidden code of wealth. This is the gift you fervently requested from God. Believe it. You are not watching this video by chance at this very moment. God has chosen you to experience this transformation, becoming a positive impact in your life. He understands the difficulties you've been facing and hears your pleas for help and relief. Perhaps, at times, you felt disheartened and exhausted in the face of limitations, scarcity, and obstacles along the way. However, from now on, everything is destined to be different. The most crucial aspect is acknowledging how committed you are to this change in your life. It's vital to strengthen your faith and self-confidence, which may have been weakened after numerous failed attempts. Embark on a 41-day journey into the universe of the hidden code of wealth. It may seem like an extensive period, but believe me, it's just a fleeting moment in the grand tapestry of life. If you wish, immerse yourself in this experience with headphones and no more excuses. Listen when you wake up, during your breaks, and even while you sleep. Let the code of wealth accompany you on your morning walks or during your drive. This potent code has been channeled by supreme deities, possessors of the power to dispel your deepest shadows and unveil your inner light. Simply feel, listen, and if you prefer, speak aloud. Do this for 41 days and your being will connect with higher energies, giving rise to a new reality. Don't be surprised if throughout these 41 days, magic and miracles begin to unfold in your life. Be consistent and persistent on this journey, and in the end, return to the channel to share with us the miracles and transformations that have manifested in your life. We are eager to hear your success story.
Divinity, release in me all vows, pacts, agreements, memories, and limiting beliefs, thoughts, and feelings of unworthiness. Divinity, dissolve in me the memories, traumas, fears, and all limiting beliefs, as well as rooted implants that keep me enclosed in a life of scarcity, debt, and material and financial difficulties. Divinity, purify in me everything that is hindering my personal, spiritual, and financial growth once and for all. Divinity, eradicate in me now all fear, negativity, insecurities, and feelings of incapacity, liberating me from a life of poverty, limitation, mediocrity, and unhappiness. Divinity, restore and redefine my spiritual essence, allowing me to express the true self, free from imposed and self-imposed beliefs, completely breaking from all patterns of sabotage and self-sabotage. Divinity, restore in me self-love, vitality, self-confidence, emotional security, perseverance, resilience, and my creative and transformative potential now and forever. Divinity, release in me now and forever all judgments and limiting beliefs acquired in this life, past lives, parallel lives, ancestors' lives, and lives from other dimensions that have hindered my full blossoming as the potent being I truly am. Divinity, release in me all beliefs and implants that I accepted as absolute truth, such as the idea that prosperity requires sacrifice and that wealth is not for everyone, now and forever. I now recognize that money, wealth, prosperity, and abundance flow easily into my life, receiving from all sources without distinction, embracing countless opportunities and possibilities that unfold because I am the energy of money, wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Money flows in me, and to all humanity. I am a magnet attracting money, wealth, and prosperity. Everything is going right in my life because I choose to live in infinite possibilities. I am a contribution to the world and all humanity. My light shines in all directions. Joy and health flow into my life and to all around me. Divinity. What energy, space, and awareness can I and my body be to fully express the powerful being that I truly am? Because I am the energy of abundance. I am the energy of money. I am the energy of prosperity. All my projects and works bear prosperous fruits in abundance, for I am a child of the Creator where nothing is impossible. I am money. The energy of money flows in me and around me. I have abundance in money, wealth, health, joy, and prosperity in all areas of my life. I choose to make different choices than my ancestors, receiving money from all sources without distinction, for all are contributions to my life now and always. Now, I see the countless opportunities and possibilities available to me, completely shaping my reality, and so it is, and so it shall always be. Amen.